Welcome to the Nomad Explorer. Today, we're diving into one of Italy's most enchanting regions, Tuscany. Known for its breathtaking landscapes, rolling hills, medieval towns, art, and world-class wine. Tuscany is a dream destination for anyone looking for a perfect blend of culture, history, and nature. From the Renaissance art of Florence and charming hilltop towns to the soothing hot springs, get ready for a journey through Italy's heartland. Our first stop is Florence, the birthplace of the Renaissance and one of the most culturally rich cities in the world. Here, art and history are woven into the fabric of the city. When in Florence, you can't miss the Florence Cathedral, also known as the Duomo. Its dome dominates the skyline and offers panoramic views of the city. Art lovers must visit the Uffizi Gallery, home to masterpieces by Botticelli, Da Vinci, and Michelangelo. Take a stroll across the historic Ponte Vecchio, famous for its charming jewelry shops. And end your day at Piazzale Michelangelo for a perfect sunset view of Florence. Next, we travel to Siena, a medieval city renowned for its well-preserved Gothic architecture. The heart of the city is Piazza del Campo, famous for its unique shell shape, and the Palio Horse Race, a tradition dating back to the Middle Ages. Siena's narrow streets and majestic Duomo make it a city rich in history and beauty. Explore the Siena Cathedral, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture with its striking black and white marble facade. And of course, take some time to wander through Siena's charming streets, filled with artisanal shops and cafes, where you can enjoy a gelato while soaking in the town's medieval atmosphere. Not far from Siena is San Gimignano, often called the medieval Manhattan because of its impressive towers that date back to the 12th century. Wander through its cobblestone streets and enjoy stunning views of the surrounding countryside. No trip to Tuscany is complete without visiting the iconic Leaning Tower of Pisa. While there, explore the Piazza dei Miracoli, where the tower is home to the Cathedral of Pisa and the baptistry. Next, we head to the Val di Orcia, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This region is known for its rolling hills dotted with cypress trees, olive groves, and vineyards. It's a place where every view feels like it was pulled from a Renaissance painting. As you explore Val di Orcia, you'll come across charming medieval villages and towns, each offering its own unique character and history. Everywhere you go in Val di Orcia, the scenery is pure magic. Whether you're driving through the winding roads, hiking through the countryside, or simply enjoying a picnic overlooking the rolling hills, this part of Tuscany will leave you with memories to last a lifetime. Next, we head to the enchanting town of Pienza, known as the ideal Renaissance city. This UNESCO World Heritage Site was transformed by Pope Pius II into a model city, combining elegance with harmony. Wander through the Piazza Pio II, a beautiful square lined with Renaissance buildings, and visit the Pienza Cathedral and the Palazzo Piccolomini, offering stunning views of the Val di Orcia. Make sure to try Pienza's famous pecorino cheese, which is made from the milk of sheep that graze in the surrounding hills. It's a taste of Tuscany you won't want to miss. Now, let's take a break from sightseeing and relax at the Saturnia hot springs. Located in southern Tuscany, these natural hot springs are a hidden gem, where you can soak in warm, mineral-rich waters while enjoying the serene landscape. These natural hot springs, fed by thermal waters from deep within the earth, have been treasured for their therapeutic properties since ancient Roman times. The warm, mineral-rich waters, believed to have healing qualities, flow continuously at around 37.5 degrees Celsius, making it a perfect spot to soak in and rejuvenate your body. Surrounded by the lush countryside, this free-to-visit location is a favorite among locals and tourists alike, offering a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. As you relax in the steaming waters, you'll be able to take in the beauty of the Tuscan landscape, making it the perfect place to unwind after days of exploring Tuscany's historic towns and rolling vineyards. Whether you're seeking relaxation or the healing benefits of the mineral waters, the Saturnia hot springs will leave you refreshed and ready for more adventures. Next on our journey through Tuscany, we venture off to the mainland to discover the hidden beauty of Elba Island, a stunning escape in the Tuscan archipelago. Famous for being Napoleon's place of exile, Elba offers much more, from pristine beaches to rich history and beautiful landscapes. Start at Portoferraio, the island's largest town, where you can visit Napoleon's former residence and learn about his exile. For a beach getaway, head to Cavalli or Biodola Beach, both known for their crystal-clear waters and golden sands. If you're feeling adventurous, hike up Monte Capan for incredible views of the island. Elba also boasts charming villages like Capolivari, where you can stroll through narrow streets, try local seafood, and sip the island's famous Aleatico wine. Whether you're a history enthusiast or a beach lover, Elba offers a perfect mix of relaxation and adventure. Our final stop is the ancient town of Sorano, one of Tuscany's best-kept secrets, perched dramatically on a cliff and often referred to as the Matera of Tuscany for its rock-carved dwellings. Take a walk through the narrow streets and you'll feel like you've stepped back in time. Visit the Fortezza Orsini, an impressive fortress, and the Vai Cave, ancient pathways carved into the tufa rock by the Etruscans. Sorano is a place where history and nature beautifully intertwine. Speaking of meals, Tuscany is a paradise for food lovers. One of the most famous dishes you'll find is the bistecca alla fiorentina, a massive T-bone steak cooked to perfection. For a more traditional experience, try ribollita, a hearty bread soup. Or panzanella, a refreshing salad made with tomatoes and stale bread. And of course, no meal is complete without a glass of local wine. Many vineyards offer guided tours where you can taste some of the region's finest wines right where they are made. Whether you're exploring the cultural riches of Florence, relaxing in the natural hot springs of Saturnia, or marveling at the medieval beauty of Sorano, Tuscany truly has something for everyone. Its blend of history, culture, nature, and cuisine makes it one of the most captivating regions in the world. So if you're planning your next trip to Italy, make sure to add Tuscany to your itinerary. You won't regret it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Nomad Explorer, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an adventure. Let me know in the comments where you'd like to explore next. See you in the next video and thanks for watching.